Hey, want to turn everyday tasks into done-in-seconds moments? This is your channel. We explore the smartest AI tools online and show you how to use them like a pro. Fast, simple, and stress-free.
What if you could create insane cinematic fight scenes, the kind you see in movies, without actors, cameras, or editing skills, like full slow-motion combat, explosions, perfect camera angles, all from a single prompt? That's exactly what Seedance 2.0 is doing right now inside SJinn, and honestly, it's on another level. Imagine you're trying to create a viral video, something that actually makes people stop scrolling. Normally, you'd need actors, locations, editing, sound design. It's a whole process. But now, you open SJinn, switch to Seedance 2.0 mode, and type a single idea, something like two fighters battling in the rain, cinematic lighting, slow-motion punches. And instead of getting a rough clip, you get something that looks like a real movie scene. Smooth motion, realistic physics, even camera movement that feels like a director planned it. And that's the shift. You're not editing anymore, you're directing. Now here's where it gets crazy. Those fighting videos you've been seeing everywhere, the ones with dramatic punches, slow motion impacts, cinematic angles, those are exactly what Seedance 2.0 is built for. Instead of just typing a prompt and hoping it works, you can guide the scene. You can describe camera movement, action intensity, lighting style, and it actually understands it. So when you say cinematic fight, tracking shot, dramatic lighting, the result feels intentional, like a real production. That's why these clips are going viral. They don't look like typical AI content. And this is the part most people don't realize. Seedance 2.0 isn't just text to video. You can use references. So let's say you have a fighting clip you like. You can use that as inspiration and guide the AI to recreate a similar vibe. Or you upload a character image and it keeps that same character consistent across the scene. That's how creators are making clean, professional-looking fight sequences that actually feel connected, not random clips stitched together. Now stay with me here, because this is where it becomes powerful. You don't just create one clip, you build sequences. You generate one wide shot, then a close-up, then another angle of the fight. And when you combine those clips in something simple like CapCut, add sound effects and music, suddenly you have a full cinematic sequence. Beginning, middle, and end. And because each shot already looks high quality, your final video feels like it took days when it didn't. Here's the thing. Most creators are still making basic content. Simple edits, basic visuals, nothing that really stands out. But a small group is already using tools like Seedance 2.0 to create cinematic videos that instantly grab attention. And that gap? That's where the views are. Because when your video looks like a movie scene, people stop scrolling. It's automatic. And the best part? You can create faster, test more ideas, and improve with every prompt you write. Seedance 2.0 inside SJinn turns your ideas into cinematic fight scenes without the complexity of traditional video production. And honestly, this is just the beginning. Try it out, experiment with your own prompts, and if you want more breakdowns like this, you already know what to do.